Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I'm back. I want a deep parting for my swoop. I'm going to take a little bit more hair from the top to make that area a little bit fuller. So I'm going to take some hair spritz. I'm going to spritz the perimeter of my hair. It will also protect your hair from breaking when you're really manipulating it. Okay, so I have my handy brush and I'll start to brush my hair in the direction that I want it to go. So now I'm going to take some Eco Styler gel. I have the yellow one here, and I'm going to apply it on the perimeter of my hair. I'm going in with my secret weapon for my sleek ponytails and stuff, my sleek puffs, my sleek hairstyles. It's like wax, hair wax. It's such a shame that I'm not going anywhere, but it's the quarantine life. Now that I've applied my hair wax, I'm going to take my hard bristled brush. This hard brush is very hard. I'm going to start brushing my hair. Now I'm taking my hairband, start working my hair up.
Knockout. You win.
Okay, so I'm not taking the rubber band through all the way, just halfway. Okay, so then I have something like this. And I'm going to shape it. I'm going to shape my bun. Okay, so now I'm going to work on my side swoop. I'm going to saturate the swoop with gel. Then I'm going in. After you've applied the gel, then you can apply your hair wax. Then I'm going in with some Gorilla Snot. This will give your hair the ultimate hold. It's like really snotty. So now it's time for molding. Now that we've had I'm going to bring it to the back, just like this, and take a bobby pin, preferably a long one, a long bobby pin, and bobby pin it to the back. I'm going to cross it, double bobby pin it with two bobby pins. That way it will stay put. Fix it. Continue with my edges. For my edges, let me start off by applying some hair wax Like, wax is your best friend if you have 4C hair. Take some wax, pull them down, and some gorillas no gel for my edges. I know it looks kind of messy right now, but believe me, it's going to look beautiful when it's done. Okay, so my battery died, so I've missed a few pieces. I don't know exactly what piece I missed, but that wasn't filming. But all I did, I finished doing my edges and I brushed my bang, the swoop a bit, and I tied it with a silk scarf. Okay, so guys, this is the finished results. I hope you liked the video and stay tuned for more styling options for 4C hair.
Why?